Greetings everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some really cool AI tools that will make you super productive in 2024. Whether you manage projects, want to improve your marketing activities, or simply want to be better organized, with these tools you are well prepared. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at AI-powered project management. Monday.com is a brilliant platform that uses AI to plan, execute, and track your projects more efficiently. With features like automated task assignments, predictive analytics, and timeline management, Monday.com ensures that your projects stay on schedule and deadlines are met. Next up is AI for marketing automation. HubSpot uses AI to optimize your marketing campaigns from email marketing to social media management. It can analyze customer interactions, personalize content, and even suggest the best posting times to ensure maximum interaction with your target audience. For anyone who works in customer service, Zendesk is an absolute must. Zendesk's AI-powered features include automated ticket sorting, predictive analytics for customer satisfaction, and chatbots that can answer frequently asked customer questions for faster and more efficient support. Last but not least, let's look at AI for personal organization. Notion is a powerful tool that combines notes, tasks, databases, and calendars in one place. With AI integrations, Notion can help you categorize your notes, set reminders, and even suggest connections between different pieces of information to keep you organized and productive. So that's it for today with the AI tools that can boost your productivity in 2024. I hope you found these tools as exciting and useful as I did. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss an update. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like to try out the most. See you in the next video. Take care.